Okay, so this video is about the high-tech Quadra. This is the Quadra, manufactured by a company called High-Tech. It's used by EDL team in vertical rope rescue situations. So on steep ground, you might consider using something like an Italian hitch through a pear-shaped carabiner, but on vertical ropes, vertical ground, rope rescue, we're going to use the Quadra. Okay, each one of these is rated to hold 200 kilogram load and operate with that 200 kilogram load. Etched onto the Quadra are operating instructions and threading instructions. It can be used as a belay device, as part of a raising system and part of a lowering system. So let's look at how we use it. So in the bag with the Quadra should also be a prusik, a pulley and a couple of carabiners, and we can use all of this together to lower, raise or belay, as you'll see later on in the video. Right, so how to thread it. This is the rope coming from our load, which is down there. I'm going to swing the cheek open and put it in the back. I'm going to take the rope into that notch there and take it through the middle channel. Once we've done that, we can close this cheek and connect it to the carabiner, like that. So that is in belay device mode, or lifelining, or raising. So we can pay rope through. If we fall on it, it locks. We can also use it as a raising device. So if I pull on this, it will hold. There's it holding. And we can use it as a lowering device. It's important, like any auto-locking belay device, to always hold on to the dead end. Always hold on to this. Never let go of this. So we said that's in raising or lifeline mode. If we bring the rope around through there, it's now in lowering mode. And you can do that without letting go of the rope. So to belay, you always want to keep a hand, a controlling hand, on the dead rope, this one. Okay, so as you take in, hold, move your hand up, and we keep taking in. Okay, never randomly let go of this rope. So don't take in, let go, grab and take in, because at that moment what's going to happen is that Sod's law says that's when they're going to fall off, that's when they're going to move. So you need to keep a hand on that at all times. Okay, lowering on the Quadra. So we can take it out of lifeline or raise mode and put it into lower mode. Then we're going to squeeze this handle here against that prong and start lowering. If I'd let go, it stays. If I squeeze too hard, it stays. If I find the sweet spot in the middle, it moves. Now I'm controlling this with this hand. This hand here is an on-off switch. It's not a control device. So control it with the hand on the dead end. Okay, so we've done lowering, now I want to raise up. Now you could just take the rope out of lower mode, put it into raise or lifeline and pull up. That's not going to work if you've got several hundred kilos hanging on the end of this rope. To deal with that, we're going to need some kind of mechanical advantage, a pulley system. And the way we're going to do that is with a carabiner, a pulley and a prusik loop. So we're going to take the prusik loop and we're going to put it on the loaded rope. Now there are lots of knots we could tie here. We are just going to tie a 3-wrap prusik. We're going to standardise on that so that everyone knows what it looks like and what they're expecting. If we try and do something a bit more fancy, it may have some advantages, but also somebody's going to go, what's that? And they're not going to be able to check it. So there we have a prusik. Into there, we're going to clip a carabiner. And then the pulley is going to go on the dead end and clip in like that. I'm going to dress this knot properly so that it grips. Then we're going to start pulling. And you need to pull away like that. And as we pull up, we have a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage-ish. There's friction here, there's more friction through there. So it's not actually a 3-to-1, but it's close enough. When the pulley hits the quadra, you need to stop, push this prusik back down to reset it. Take in, take in, take in, take in. As we've already said, somebody needs to have the job of not letting go of that.